welcome back. Today we're gonna make is it tiramisu?
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu. So first we put this in. The whole thing. Now we put the sugar in. Now, here comes the whirly woo.
So you do it or mommy do it?
You do it. I'm scared of this thing.
And right now, put the vanilla.
Come on, it's so good.
Jorok did it. See? And the next is
So tasty.
yummy.
Oh my gosh, can you taste some?
Mix first.
Well, I have to taste some of this, so I make sure it's not poison.
Oh yeah, that's right. Ini buat Daddy ulang tahun kita. Yuk, katanya belum dicampur kok. Dicampur set.
It's kind of good.
Dicampur set.
It's not as good as the whipped cream. Whipped cream.
Ya. Ini kita bikin tiramisu buat Daddy birthday.
Can't have one piece. Yeah, it's gotta freeze overnight too.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Buat
That's
besok.
sad. Yeah, I know. Really sad.
Really sad.
Ho.
Oh. So, can you dripping that?
This into there?
Yes.
Yes.
Just quick. Nggak boleh cepet-cepet
And if
nanti.
there's leftovers,
Nggak
I'm
boleh lama-lama nanti lembek.
I need scissors. I'm very weak. And boom. There we go.
That's right. Oh, Oti.
So good.
Really good. Mantap ya, Dek.
And then I put it in here.
Di sini dulu.
Oh my gosh, it's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck.
Sini, Mama. Magic. So, dripping ke coffee. Just like that.
Boing, boing.
Quick, huh?
Oh, ew, it's chewing. Ew. Ew, it's gross. Oh, and you have to open all the plastic.
Lah, kepiyal.
Then you break the cookie. So smart. We each do 3. It can't even fit.
Just cut.
I just.
More space. See? Enough, honey.
Can I have this one?
Sure. Nah, sekarang
And then can you have some with the cream? Put one here. Please. Okay, thank you. Yummy.
nggak kuat pengen makan. Terus we give the cream on top. Enak orang. Enak orang. Kita pakainya
It's so good,
setengah
even though I hate
saja.
black coffee.
You love the coffee, my coffee too.
Yeah.
Ini kita pakai instan semua teman-teman.
I don't think I can sleep tonight.
Yummy.
Really yummy.
Devinnya sibuk tidak di kitchen. Devin, mau bantu ibu tidak? Dedek mau bantu ibu nggak?
Can I try again?
Sure.
Yes.
Let's go.
This is gonna taste really good. I know it is. Because I just tried one. Like, not the actual one. Like, it's really good. Like, dripped in here, it's really good.
Evin, one try? Here, honey.
The whipped cream is so good.
Okay, dripping this there.
Yeah, both sides, right?
We just need.
And this is the Hershey's
Just
cocoa
for-
powder. Like, for the end.
Yep. Only that?
Yeah. It smells so good.
Oh, got some leftover.
Can I have one? Thank you.
And then
I'm gonna
this
put
is
it on the here. Yes.
nggak sabaran.
Look, I'm really smart, guys. I'm gonna put some.
No, be careful. You must the spoon, honey.
It's alright. I'll just grab a piece.
Okay.
They have pieces. Ew, it looks really good. Yeah. That's actually kind of good. Wait, is it even dipped?
What?
It's not even dipped. It's not dipped. It's not dipped in the coffee. It's dipped.
It's fine.
It's not fine. It's not fine. Yes, now I'm happy.
So that's the name. Tiramisu. Enak deh.
And
Coco.
can I do it?
Sure. Like that. Ambil honey. Kurang kencang deh.
Okay. Wait, we have to freeze it overnight? It's for tomorrow.
Pretty.
I was gonna eat it. No. No. Yummy.
Tada!
I was gonna eat it. No.
Alright, sekarang kita taruh di kulkas. Sampai besok.
Boing, boing, boing. Boing, boing, boing.